All righty. We're going to start today's video with a quote. $100 goes to the first person who guesses what quote, who said this quote. And it goes a little something like this. I'm going to paraphrase if I can remember. It goes, darkness cannot cast out darkness. Only light can do that. My friends, it is your friend CryptoFace. Let's get after it. We're going to start with Bitcoin. And then we have some important stuff to say. We're going to start with Bitcoin. Listen, nothing's changed on the macro, okay? Nothing's changed. The RSIs are still the same before we see a price go down after a full green money flow. The momentum waves, okay? When momentum starts coming down, when momentum starts dragging down, look, momentum starts dragging down, price comes down after the money flow. Another money flow, bull market, momentum starts coming down, price comes down. Bull market, momentum starts coming down, price comes down. Okay? So now I can only speak for myself. Probability speaking, I believe, speaking for myself, that we have the highest probability of the price overall going down. Now, on smaller time frames, yes, price goes up and down. But overall, dang, look at that. That's 2027. This is probably exact. This is my prediction for the year. 70,000 bottom. There you go. 2027. Here's 2027 right here. This is 2027. 70,000 at some point in here. That's the official CryptoFace. What I think the bottom's going to be. 70,000. Hopefully. Percentage chance could be totally wrong, and maybe we keep going up. I hope we keep going up. That being said, obviously gold, silver, copper, proud that we've been on top of this. Not just since last year, but for years we've been on top of the whole gold thing. Credit Suisse, the banks going down with sell side paper. Your boy's been on top of it. I cannot wait for tomorrow to see what our gold, silver, and copper options are going to be. It's going to be bonkers. Hopefully price holds up on gold, silver, copper till tomorrow. So you never know. We're either going to make them or we break them. We make them or we break them. We'll see. Maybe Bitfunded, you know what I'm saying? We'll see. If you have any issues anywhere, go through customer support. Test it out. But I'm trying these guys. I've gotten funded. I've withdrawn, done all that. I like the UI. The UI is clean. It's a clean UI. You do have to close. If you hit your I'm a one-step guy. If you hit your 10% goal, you got to close the trade. Just like if it's a real funded account, close the trade when you hit your mark. It ain't going to close it automatically for you. Check it out. Maybe you like it. Maybe you won't. With options. Okay. Obviously, we've been hammering copper, silver, gold, Google. I'm looking for some SoFi puts this week, starting tomorrow. I got a little bit in on Thursday. I slept through the trading day on Friday. But I think I'm looking to get some shorts, get some puts on SoFi. You know, for the past couple of years, every time I've looked at like interest rates, SoFi's always been at the top. They're the new guy on the block, and they're trying to pay more than everybody and anybody. But I think shit is hitting the fan at SoFi. So I mean, so I think I'm looking to short this. So I'll give more details tomorrow when the markets are open. I think with this crypto stuff, man, you know, even though these past few weeks the prices come up, you just got to remember that the liquidity is still weird. Everyone, you know, crypto is trading. Crypto is different right now than it has been for a while. The environment's a little weird. You really have to be locked in and attentive and be like a mouse with cheese. Just take the cheese. You got your little thing of cheese and run away. And so I've really been liking options. And to be honest, I'm banging 100, 200, 1,000% gains, 2,000% gains with option contracts, you know, in a month, 2 months, 3 months. A 3-month, 2-month trade bangs you 1,000%, 2,000%, a couple 100%. You know, man. So more content on that. So yeah, it's a holiday today. Be wary with price action. I still think that we could have a little more room to the upside in the immediate short term, but it's hard to say until the market actually opens. Right now it's weekend holiday kind of BS. So it's every man for himself, and you're at the mercy of the Chinese. So take your cheese and run. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to test out Bitfunded, they're being super aggressive right now. They really want people to give them a shot. So, yeah, if you're doing the prop thing, maybe check them out. If you like them, great. If not, great. Until next time, guys. I'll see you soon. I'll see you very soon. Thank you.